What's up, guys? I got this Clio 172 here that's not starting. It's got a solid red immobilizer light on the dash. Let me put the jump pack back on it. I think I found a problem, so I'm just trying to. I don't know why I'm like this, but I never remember to record the issue before. So if you guys start following me, I'll get better at this, and hopefully I'll be able to help you guys a bit more in the future. I don't mind giving away free advice. It takes nothing away from me, because YouTube helps me make money, and if you're a mechanic on here, you should get help as well. So look, got a solid red immobilizer light, right? And when you get a solid light, it means that the UCH, which is the fuse box in here, just down there, is unable to communicate with the engineer's tube. It doesn't mean that your key isn't working. If that light was flashing fast whilst cranking, it means that it doesn't recognize the key. But when it stays solid, there's a wiring issue. So if you're having the same problem, I think that this might fix it. So the battery tray was here. This thing here, I had to bend it out of the way because that's rounded off. I couldn't bother to deal with it. Just here, see the battery tray? Just this corner here was biting into this wire in here. You can see I can find a broken red wire here. So I think that broken wire down there is the reason why the car ain't starting. Alright, so I'm getting ready to repair this wire. I've got my Milwaukee heat gun. This is a bit big for this job, I think. Probably better off using a lighter at this point, but I just wanted to show you guys that I've got one. I'm probably going to use a lighter. Can't be lying. Can't lie. Guys, I won. I have won. Look at this. Couple heat shrinks, and she's in business. So SP88 once again, fixing cars on the side of the road. I'm happy. Just to finish off, if you see this light here flashing, the car won't crank. That means that the key isn't working. This is the spare key, in the worst shape, but the light is solid and it will turn off. And there we go. It's got a few more problems that need sorting out. Proper little race car, man.